everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the spring declutter challenge. I am going through my whole house, space by space, room by room, item by item, and decluttering all of the things in my life that just don't need to be here. I hope you have been following along and clearing out some of your spaces and feeling that relief of decluttering. It really does get a bit addicting. So today we are tackling linens and towels and sheets and face cloths and tea towels and all of those fabric-y items, I guess, in your life that might have just tried their last dish. So let's take the time right now, go through the areas in your house that have fabric type items, you know what I mean, linens, and let's do some decluttering. Before we start though, grab your box for donations and your garbage bag, you might need it, or in this case, probably a bag for making rags. And also don't forget, all month long, I am giving away a $100 gift card to a local store of your choice every single day. All you have to do to enter is subscribe to this channel and leave a comment below, and I will choose one winner every single day, and then you can let me know what store in your town you'd like the gift card for, and maybe you could buy some nice new linens. Okay, let's get started. This is my linen closet. I haven't had a linen closet before, but I do now, and it's kind of a hot mess. So I'll just back you up here. Let's see. So I got some towels and some sheets kind of intermixed, but then also some boxes that I still haven't unpacked from moving. How do you like that? Okay, let's get to work here. Oh, crib sheet. We don't need that. Oh, tablecloth, that's helpful up here on the second floor, completely away from the dining room. No, that can go downstairs. Like, this is so cute, but it's a double bed size. It's like from when I was in college. And nobody in this house has a double bed. So I think it's time to say goodbye. Goodbye. Ugh, I just really want to be that house where all the towels are fluffy and match, and I'm just really not that house. We'll see. I mean, they're fine. Why throw things out if they're not in bad shape? I don't know. Okay, I'm not gonna throw everything away. Stick with my mismatched life, that's okay. I don't know why I'm keeping or attempting to keep some of these pillowcases that really have seen better days and don't need to be in my life. Wow. Okay, that's a lot less stuff. I'm gonna take my sheets and put them with our painting stuff because we are still painting our house a lot, and so we use them as drop sheets. Or those old crib sheets I'll probably just tear up for rags, and then that nice duvet cover I'll take to the thrift store because someone could use that. It's in good shape. So there's like a lot of reusing you can do with linens. It's kind of good. I also have quite a few towels, which I didn't realize I had. I'm gonna try and keep them in the bathroom. I really don't like having extra towels out here. I don't see why we would need more towels than the amount of towels in our bathroom. But that's just me. This looks like totally stained with paint. That does not need to be here. That I think is dirty. Why do we have these? They're like old, awful hotel pool towels. I don't know. Go, look, this cupboard's all matching. Another place we're keeping linens and cloth type items is the kitchen. I have tea towels and dishcloths, and wait until you see this drawer. Okay, let's just get after it. Well, that's a bit embarrassing. Hi, I'm Steph. I have a cleaning channel on YouTube, And this is my collection of cloths. Like, really, I can do better than this. Ooh, I've been looking for one of these. This is the best part of decluttering. Finding those things you didn't even realize you had. Perfect. Oh, it's a straw cleaner, in case you were wondering. I can already tell that a lot of this is garbage. This might be the place where I get to do my grown-up thing of replacing everything with new and fancy and matching stuff. So, bibs. We don't do bibs. This one's in good shape, but these ones, I mean, they've had 5 good years with 3 good kids. I think we can probably just chuck these. These are cleaning things. There's like a ton of these baby washcloths, which we use them a lot, but we really don't use them anymore. So I guess goodbye baby washcloths. Okay. Smell test. Yeah, that looks alright. No. Yeah, that's fine. Ah, no. I don't like that one. Okay, I also have these, which are these cellulose rags. So you kind of like use them. They look like this after, like this is a used one. I really like them. You use them, and then once you're done with them, they're like completely compostable, biodegradable, and so you can just like chuck them in the garbage or chuck them in your compost and not feel like you're being very wasteful. And they were super cheap. I will put a link to these below. I forget what they're called, but yeah, they're awesome. So maybe I just, oh, this could be my matching thing. So there's a couple rags that made the cut, and then I'm gonna just mostly switch to these, and I just love these handmade ones, so I'll use these till they smell gross, and it's just such a nice little gift. Check it out. But it's actually gonna be like, put these here. Perfect. Okay, so then tea towels. Most of these honestly can be replaced. They're just, they're just in bad shape. I will never throw this one away. My friend Diana in Denmark gave it to me. You want to talk about a tea towel that sparks joy? That's this. So I'll keep these ones. Get rid of this one, but this is one thing I think is time to say goodbye to and go buy some new ones. So next time I'm out and I see something that I really like, I'm gonna grab them and then swap some of these out, and then these can be rags. Okay, so I made lots of progress today going through all my linens and my tea towels and my sheets and all those cloth items in my house. It's really incredible how things can just hide in closets if you keep piling them on top of one another. And I am super inspired to go out and get some tea towels that I really love, especially since I hang them on my dishwasher and my oven, so people see them and I see them, and so it can be kind of a decor item too, something I can use to spruce the house up. So I hope you enjoyed this video and you're gonna get after some of your linens today, do some decluttering. Even if you only have 5 minutes, just do like one shelf or one bathroom cupboard. You'll be so happy that you did. Make sure you enter the contest for the $100 gift card to a local store in your area by subscribing and leaving a comment below, and I will see you in the next video. You're doing awesome. Let's keep the ball rolling. Okay, bye-bye.